Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Python playlist. Now in this video we are going to talk about match case. So everyone must have already heard about this match case word, right? As this was one of the very recent trend in LinkedIn and everyone has been posting things about match case other than ChatGPT. So the developers who are switching from C, C++ stack to Python, they must be already aware of what I'm going to talk in this video. But for developers who are starting fresh or starting with their first language as Python, don't worry, I'm going to explain you in the simplest way possible so that you guys could have a crystal clear understanding at the end of this video. So there are two different prerequisites before we start this video. The first being you have to download Python 3.10 on your system because match case just got introduced with the recent release of Python 3.10. So in case you guys are trying to write match case in Python 3.9, 3.8 or any other lower version, then you will get a invalid or a syntax error. So yeah, I have provided the link for Python 3.10 in the description, so you could download it based on your operating system and system requirements. And the second prerequisite is I want you guys to watch the previous video about if else and else if ladder and how exactly indentation works, because I'm going to do a lot of comparison with if else condition for your better and easier understanding. So without delaying any further, let's hop on to match case. So on the left side of the screen, you can see an image about switch case, and on the right side of the screen, you can see another image about match case. Now both looks very similar, right? Other than the keyword that is match and switch, everything, the understanding, the logic, the syntax, everything is pretty similar. Now I will explain how match case work, but the logic and understanding is same for switch case as well. So understanding either of the match case or switch case will give you a pretty clear idea about what this is. So I have written here match variable name case pattern 1. That means we are checking if variable name has the value pattern 1 in it. So this is exactly similar to the if case, that is if name double equals, that is equal to pattern 1, then all this, and if that is true, then all the statements present inside if condition will get rendered. If not, we are checking with the second case, that is if name is equal to pattern 2. If that is true, then it will print or it will execute all the statements present inside case 2, and that series will continue as long as there are multiple cases. Now this is exactly similar to if else condition, because you could consider the first case as if case, second to last as else if case, and in case we are providing with a default condition, then you could consider that as a else case. So now default condition is not mandatory in C, C++ as well as in Python match case, but it is a good practice to write a default condition to handle like any other errors or how your program is exactly executing. So enough with the theory, let's start with an example. So I'm taking name of bike as an example, but you guys could work with any other example that is coming onto your mind. So here I'm writing enter your bike. So as you can see in the syntax that is present on your right side, the first thing is match variable name. So variable name is bike 1 and I'm writing case. Let's first bike be Fireblade. So I will print out the name, that is print Honda, and the second being case Ninja 400. Oops. And the most famous bike, that is Splendor, which is favorite of everyone, I guess, and everyone of Indian bike lover have already driven a Splendor. So yeah, and the last case, which is the default case, I am giving as underscore here, and I am printing others. So let's try to save this and run this. And take a favorite bike, suppose I am writing Fireblade in here, so it is printing Honda. So why did I say I am backing up with the statement that why it is good practice to write a default condition? Because here I am again writing Fireblade in here, but it is printing others. So when you are writing long programs or very big programs, you tend to miss out small details. So you want to know that those cases are also being handled. So that's the reason why I told you, or I recommend that you always write a default case. So I have a task for you guys. Now I have given underscore as default. You could try giving your name, or you could try writing others, and tell me what the default or how it is behaving, or is it giving an error in the comment section. So hope everyone could try this out and let me know, because programming is all about experimentation. You won't learn or you won't be a true programmer unless you start getting your hands dirty with program. So hope everyone understood what match case is. Now if you have any kind of doubt or need any help, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section or through my LinkedIn, which I am providing in the description as well. And if you like the video so far, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed it, of course subscribe it, and please share it among your friends so that it is getting a wider reach. So thank you guys.